everybody, Julia Strong over here with my business partner Ansel. Say hi, Ansel. We want to invite you to watch our factory video. I want you guys to see behind the scenes of my factory, and I also want to challenge you not to give up, because if you believe in your dreams, then everything is possible. So enjoy the tour. I'm so excited that you guys are joining me for this tour because I want you guys to really have a high level understanding of what happens behind Wealthy Hair Factory. So the first thing that we do is we always seal the hair to make sure that the hair is not shedding. Then that's when we run the hair through the weft. Whenever we're wefting the hair, if the hair falls down, we do not pick it up because we want to make sure that all the cuticles are facing the same direction, because that's what helps the hair not tangle. Then we always run the weft 3 times, and that's going to give you a really nice strong weft. And again, that's going to prevent shedding. Like when you're brushing the hair, you don't really want the hair on the floor. So very, very important to actually do that. And the next process we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we remove all the loose hairs. There you go. And to make sure obviously there's no like loose hairs on your weft. And then my next process is steam processing the hair. With wealthyhair.com, we are not chemically processing the hair. We only steam process to make sure that the hair quality is protected. And think of it the same way as whenever you go to a salon and you put your rollers on, and the hairstylist is going to put you under the hair dryer to actually let the steam dry out the hair and style it. That's the same way, just on a larger scale. We're just steam processing the hair, but obviously we have a lot of hair to process, and that's our steam dryer. The next process is for our quality assurance team to just go through every single pack of hair, because I want to make sure that the quality is outstanding, because I know with good quality hair, the customers are going to keep coming back, right? So I really hope you enjoyed behind the scenes tour. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. My name is Julia again. I'm the founder and president of wealthyhair.com.